July 2016 for you. The Western social sector of your chart became really powerful since the 13th of last month, which means that the planetary power or influence is moving away from you and becoming distant. Your focus will be more on what people should be doing. Personal independence is lessened. It will not vanish completely, only the magnitude will lessen. Your goals will be achieved through consensus and cooperation of others rather than through unilateral direct action. The eastern sector of your chart is still very powerful. So inevitably, you would still be working towards balancing your self-interests in coordination with others. You need your popularity and independence. You can create the world you want, only that it requires some effort and time. You entered your yearly pleasure peak last month on June 13th, the summer solstice. So you can very well take out time to enjoy and indulge yourself in leisure activities and work what you most enjoy doing. This good time lasts till 22nd. There has been a rare grand trine in water, your own element, since June 18th and continues till July 22nd. So in general, you will be feeling good about yourself and others. You will find others being more compassionate and kind towards you. This comfort feelings bring in positive signals to your well-being as health seems much improved. If you do feel under weather sometime, then a night out with friends doing something fun will do the trick. After the 22nd, pay attention to your heart. A creative hobby will be more therapeutic. The month ahead looks prosperous, especially until the 22nd. Earning and financial goals will be easily met. Investing in foreign countries or working with foreigners or foreign companies will be beneficial. Mars is moving forward and endows you with sound financial judgment and good direction. The financial planet in your 9th house shows increased earnings. Love remains happy, barring a few bumps, as the love planet Mercury reactivates an old eclipse point on the 1st and 2nd. He also squares with Pluto on the 7th and Uranus on the 10th and 11th. Now these events do indicate some shake-ups and dramas in love life. Till the 14th, it points towards having fun. After the 14th, life becomes serious and service-oriented. Second half of the month is all about thinking about other people.